Welcome back. I am finishing up milling this log yesterday after the rain shut me down. I am going to finish squaring the log into what's called a cant and then split that cant into two pieces and then turn those two pieces into 2-inch thick boards. But first, check out this quarter sawn grain. That is amazing. So anyways, here's our two pieces, and then from here I'm going to cut these into 2-inch thick boards. 2 inches is pretty thick, but I don't want to risk them warping too bad when drying. I can always make them thinner. I can't make them thicker, but look how beautiful this stuff is.